Hi guys, very good morning to you all. It's my first day to start, and today is Father's Day. Let's see what special we can do. And here we are. Let's see what Nadia is doing first. Hey babe, what are you doing?
Coffee.
Coffee. See, this is how we do our coffee with this hand blender. It's a very nice one. Homemade cappuccino. See, professional mungo coffee shop gale something. Okay, Nadia is doing burji. And trust me, I love her burji so much. There's no burji that I will love more than what she does.
Friends, I use this laughing cow cheese in this burji because it gives a nice flavor, and the kids also love this. So yes, do try this in the burji and let us know how it is.
Digor? Burji digor. Keisha also enjoys eating burji. So bina ode. Chal bina ode, Baba. Go out. See guys. Keisha. Chal kai tu nahi Baba. Chal tu ode bina ode chal. She'll go by herself. And she put in the bin, huh?
Good. Yay, very good. Okay.
Good girl. Ah, hey. See how Kisha is going to be demanding it. Whatever Angel is going to play, she's going to ask for. How take head on the yeah? So whatever Angel will take, she will take it from her.
Welcome to Hypercare.
Yeah. Kiss. Ah, Dada.
No, first me. Hey. No.
Okay, let's see where Kisha goes, near Angel or Daddy.
Okay. What do you? Kisha, come. Kisha. Dada.
Hi, say.
Hi.
How are you? Chapilos?
Double
Jele?
G.
Bore korun.
Baby.
Take care.
Take care.
Love you.
Love.
Flying kiss? Flying kiss. Like that. Bye-bye.
Bye.
See you later.
Love.
Angel is going to sing for all our YouTube family. Can't help falling in love.
Yes.
Yeah, so that's a karaoke song what she's going to sing for you. If you all want anytime Angel to sing a Konkani song, you can message us, and Angel, you have to learn.
Commenters.
Okay, they will write a comment for you for that. Yeah, can you learn that? You're going to learn it. Yeah? You have to, if they write, then you have to learn that song.
And if you say, please, you have to learn, I will learn it.
Yeah? Okay. We're here back again for a karaoke session. Angel is going to sing a karaoke song of her favorite song that she's going to sing.
So as it is Father's Day, I'm gonna sing this song to my dada. Wise men say, only fools rush in, but I can't help falling in love with you. I stay, but it be Take my hand, take my whole life too, but I can't help falling in love with you. I can't help falling in love with you.
Alright, so Angel and has already sang one. Now it's going to be mother and daughter's duet. They're going to sing a song for you guys. This is for you. Check it out.
Every night in my dreams, I see you, I feel you. That is how I know you. Go on. Once more, you open the door, and you hear in my heart will go on and on. Life can touch us one time, and it's more than lifetime, and never let go till we gone. Love was when I loved you, one true time I hold you, and my life will always go on. Near, far, wherever you are, I believe that the heart does go on. Once more, you open the door, and you hear in my heart will go on and on.
So today is Father's Day. Angel has done something for me. She's got a surprise. And let's see what Angel is doing. What is that, Angel?
So I made a card for you for Father's Day, and happy Father's Day to you.
Oh, thank you. Let's see what is it. Yeah.
The card?
Okay, hold this. Let's see. What is it? This is me?
Yes.
Angel is drawn. Oh my god. Very nice, huh?
And that's the popsicle.
That's a popsicle. Yeah, guys, that's a popsicle. Is there something inside the popsicle?
No, there isn't.
Okay.
Because we glued it.
You are the coolest. That's why it's a popsicle. Because dad is the coolest. Okay. Happy Father's Day. To dad. Happy Father's Day. Love from Angel. Wow, that's beautiful. See? I need to open this. Okay, what it says? Happy Father's Day. It's like an envelope you've done.
It's an envelope.
Okay, let's see what you got. Something inside. Wait, Kisha, let's open. Oh my god, you made this envelope? Oh, there are chips inside.
Good.
Oh my god. Let's see what you got in this. I love you. That's the first. It says, I love you. And the second one is, you're my heart. That you wrote, I'm your heart.
Because you love me a lot.
Yes. Thank you, my baby. That's so sweet. Let's see now. Open the third one. It says, you are the best. It says, you are the best. And it's a very beautiful handwriting. Did you write this? Very nice. Let's check the fourth one now. Happy Father's Day. And you know what? It just came in such a nice sequence. I opened randomly. I did not even open which I did not even know which was written in what. But I opened randomly. Every wording came in the end. It came a Happy Father's Day. So sweet, baby. Thank you.
Welcome.
You made me feel so special. So friends, this is really special of Angel to do it for me because imagine she would save money and buy things which will not make me feel that special what she has written down. This comes from the heart of the child, like what they think about their parents, how they feel. And that's exactly, I didn't say anything, but she has felt it for me. And I feel like I'm achieving that much of space in her heart as a dad. And I'm creating that love for her. My message to every father, happy Father's Day. So every man on this planet, a very happy Father's Day. Because they very well know, because man, we sacrifice a lot. We give a lot. We see that our family has more than what we can. And there is, I would say, maybe we feel like, okay, we have been not noticed, but there is things in family that they notice very well. Stay one day away from home, they will notice how much they miss you. If you're not there at home, or you're late from coming home, if you're not on your routine, that is the time that they get panicked, like, okay. So this, it can't be put in words to say how much they love us, but yes, they love us. Without us, sometimes their world is incomplete. And blessings to all those fathers who work hard towards their family, to raise their families up, despite of a lot of obstacles in life that come in today's world. There are so many things, and every individual has a different life to do. I wish all the fathers all the very best. God bless and bless their family. Happy Father's Day. Hi guys, and welcome back again. Here we are. This is the end of the vlog, and we just thought of like doing something to say thank you for everyone for liking and watching our vlogs. I hope you all are enjoying it and you all like the way what we do it. There is a few names that I want to take who has always been, they always comment us, isn't it? Yeah. They encourage saying this, and there are many of them, but there are few names that I would like to bring up at this time. And in times we will be getting names for everyone, but there are few names that are like, there are similar names. There is only a request, like if you could write the place where you're commenting from, it will be much easier, like identifying the person from a certain place. Then when we give a shout out, it's much easier, like not to understand it's for you. Yeah, for the first one, I will say it's for Foster Dias. Foster, thank you. He's my friend as well. Foster Dias, he's from Ponda. I know him. He always comes up and he always encourages by his comments, and he sometimes personally even he gave me a call to say it looks very nice what I'm doing. But thank you, Foster and his family. Second is Antoinette Fernandez. Antoinette Fernandez, thank you for your support. You like our food as well, the recipes that we bring up. You prefer, you like our vlogs as well. So it is nice. I feel like, over the moon. Thank you. Sundar Raj. Sundar Raj is one of the subscribers for me. I want to say thank him because he's been following us from really long time, and he constantly, when I was not there on YouTube active, even before that he was there, but when I came back, he just showed his name back again by showing his appreciation. So thank you, Sundaraj, for that, what you have done. And there is another one, Jocelyn Fernandez. Jocelyn Fernandez, thank you for loving and supporting us. Same again here, Edwina Rodriguez. His abbreviation is like Vina Rodriguez. If I'm not wrong, she is Frida's mom. Yeah. She's Frida's mom, I guess. So Vina, thank you for loving and showing us support. Hope one day when I come down to your place, I'll make a vlog with you all, because you know that you are very close to us, and special with baby Precious. We're going to do that. Angel always says that we want to do with Precious vlog. Yes. So guys, we hope you like vlogs that we do.
Guys, if you like to do us any kind of vlogs or anything, just message us in the comment section that what you all want to see, and yes, we will try to do something for you.
Yes, and if there is something that we need to improve on our side, please do say as well.
Let us know.
And please keep on sharing your love and your blessing over us. And till we do the next one, we'll stay connected God bless you all. And our final word to say,
Adios.
adios.